Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Yam-Yam cheese chicken. It's spicy and cheesy chicken. Very simple and easy to make, but the sauce and the cheese make it so addictive. And it's perfect match with plain rice, or you can use it as a filling for sandwiches. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Yam-Yam cheese chicken. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thigh, or you can use chicken breast instead. Shredded mozzarella, as much as you like. I'm doing about a handful. 1 tablespoon of flour, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons each of sake and mirin, 1 tablespoon each of sesame oil, sugar, and sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, and gochujang, Korean spicy paste. Let's make the sauce first. You just need to put all these seasonings in one bowl and mix. Garlic, sake, mirin, sesame oil, sugar, ketchup, and gochujang, Korean spicy paste, as much as you like. I'm doing about a tablespoon. Give it a mix. And the sauce is ready. Let's cut the chicken. Skin on or skin off, either way you like. I like to do it with the skin off. So remove the skin. And trim off all the fat. Into half, then bite-sized pieces. Same for the other chicken. I'm going to dust the chicken with flour, and I want to make very thin layer of flour on the surface of the chicken. So I'm using this tea strainer. on both sides. Okay, all the prep is done, so it's time to cook. Heat up frying pan over medium heat and let's add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then the chicken. Spread them all over the frying pan. And cook them until it's cooked and browned. Try not to touch them too much. Cooked for about 3 minutes. And the bottom side is cooked and browned. So let's flip them over. And cook the other side for another 3 minutes or so. This time with the lid on to make sure it's cooked through. Looks like it's well cooked. So let's add the sauce. Turn the heat to low. The sauce is very easy to burn. Add the sauce and the sesame seeds. Give it a mix. Then heat back to medium and cook for another 3 minutes or so to cook down the sauce. Once the sauce is cooked down and thickened, turn the heat off and sprinkle shredded mozzarella. Cover with the lid and wait until the cheese is melted. I left it for 3 minutes or so. Let's see how it looks. This is totally optional, but if you want to make it prettier, some green onion. And it's done. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's spicy, but it's not just spicy. Slightly sweet, and it has layers and layers of umami created by the ketchup and the cheese. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Yannyeom cheese chicken is the main, so it goes here. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about plain rice here, enoki miso soup here. Cabbage and corn salad for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.